If you want to transpose a key in Audacity, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact steps to change the pitch of a track from one musical key to another without changing the length of the audio. This is super useful if you're adjusting a song for a different vocalist, matching a performance key, or just making a track easier to sing or play along with. And if this tutorial helps, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump into Audacity. First, open your project in Audacity and click the track header to make sure the audio track you want to edit is selected. This is important because Audacity will apply the effect to whatever track is active, so always double-check that you've selected the right one before moving on. Next, go to the Effect menu at the top of the screen. From there, hover over Pitch and Tempo. You'll see a few different options, but for this method, choose Change Pitch. This is the feature Audacity uses to transpose a song from one key to another while keeping the tempo the same. Once the Change Pitch window opens, look for the Pitch section. Here, you'll see dropdowns for the current key and the target key. In the From dropdown, select the key your track is currently in. Then, in the To dropdown, select the key you want to transpose it to. Audacity will automatically calculate the pitch shift needed to move between those two keys. Now, make sure to check the box that says Use High-Quality Stretching Slow. This option takes a little longer to process, but it gives you better audio quality, which is especially important if you're working with music or vocals and want to avoid artifacts or unnatural sound changes. If you don't know the exact keys of your track, don't worry. You can use the Semitones or half steps box instead. In that field, each 1.00 represents one half step. So, for example, if you want to move from C to D, you would enter 2 semitones. That gives you a quick manual way to transpose, even if you're not selecting keys from the dropdowns. After you've selected your original key and your target key and confirm the high-quality stretching option is enabled, click Apply. Audacity will process the track and update the pitch for you. Depending on the length of the audio and your computer speed, this may take a few moments. When it's finished, play the track back and listen to make sure the new key sounds right. If needed, you can always undo the change and try a different target key or semitone amount until it matches what you're aiming for. And that's how to transpose a key in Audacity using the change pitch effect. It's a simple process once you know where to look, and it's one of the fastest ways to shift a song into a new key while keeping the timing intact. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.